औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। प्यारे दोस्तों, dear viewers, are you doing very good morning after a few days at your service again, once again, with good recipe and YouTube famous omelette. Today we are going to make very famous omelette on YouTube, which is done by a lot of Moroccan YouTube channels, Spanish and all other Pakistanis and other channels. Today we will try this recipe. Sabah al-khair, ya Hajji, ya Sheikh, ya Ikhwan al-Arab, kif halak? Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Ehna CUISINE. देशी भाई क्या मनासन? अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रब्बिल आलमीन। ehna CUISINE। हम भी ठीक ठाक हैं। प्यारे दोस्तों, प्यारे सजनों, तुसीं सुनाओ ठीक ठाक? अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रब्बिल आलमीन, असीं भी सब ठीक ठाक। ते देखो मैं पहले टमाटर दोनों साइडां फ्राई करके ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ हॉट प्लेट 'ਚ रख ਲਈਆਂ ਨੇ ਤੇ अंडे वगैरह फेंट के रख ਲਏ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। Dear friends and families from all over the world, my YouTube families and friends from all over the world, everything is ready except I'm going to pour beaten eggs with spices, salt and all little bit spices. Yes, dear friends and families, प्यारे दोस्तों, सजनों, मित्रों, क्या हाल चाल है? खैरियत? देशी भाई, आप देखें मैंने जो अंडे मैंने 2 बीट किए थे, उसमें स्पाइसेस हैं, सब शामिल किया मैंने, तो उसको मैंने इसमें डाल दिया है और मीडियम हीट पे छोड़ दिया इसको। Dear friends and families, right now this is under medium heat and next step will be on very low heat and I will cover with one of the lid and let it fry. This will be very delicious and good looking beautiful tomato Spanish omelette. Yes, प्यारे दोस्तों, प्यारे सजनों, dear viewers, I covered it already and with very low heat we are going to cook few minutes only and it will be ready. Beautiful omelette with tomato sliced. Mashallah, 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 wow. Look at the omelette with sliced tomatoes. It's going to be ready after a few minutes. It's cooking on very low heat. I took off the lid and look at it. It's almost done. We will change the side also. We have to change the side also. It will be cooked next. I mean the other side also. Dear friends and families, this omelette is ready and I will enjoy with brown bread, brown sliced bread with tea or milk or whatever is available. I will enjoy this. I hope you guys the recipe, you will like it. Good looking, beautiful looking, lovely, and hopefully it will be very tasty also. Okay, dear friends and family, take care. If you like this video, like it, share it with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe my old channel. So nice of you. प्यारे सजनों, दोस्तों, dear viewers, हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. So nice of you, देशी भाई, dear other Arab friends, मास्सलामा, Allah Hafiz. Bye, dear friends and families.